Okay, here we go. It's about being born in a hospital but getting mixed up in the room with all the other babies. I lost my identity, so there we go. I got mixed up with all the other babies, all the other babies in the same hospital. I was a lonely little child, a lonely little child, caught up in the courtesy, the mystery, the irony of my childhood. But then I met you at a meeting. I met you at a meeting, and I thought that you were at the meeting for the same reason. At the meeting for the same reason that I was at the meeting too. But then I lost you at that meeting. I lost you at the meeting, and it left me feeling terribly black and blue. I said, doctor, what can I take? What can I take? He said, listen to me, Mr. Queeter. You've got to take some heroin. Heroin. Oh, heroin. It's the only way. It's the only way. It's the only way. The only way to get back to you. Heroin. It's the only way. The only way. It's the only way. The only way to get back to you. And you. The only way to get back to you. And you. I said, heroin. It's the only way. The only way. It's the only way. The only way to get back to you. But my neighbors disagree. They go, not in this neighborhood. The only way is the only way. It is the only way. It's the only civilized way for me to get back to you. By request.